मेरी आवाज नहीं जा रही आप लोगों तक? आर यू नॉट लिसनिंग मी? मेरी आवाज नहीं जा रही आप लोगों तक? यस और नो?
मैम आ रही है।
Someone has told that
Ma'am,
ma'am
आ
has
रही है।
muted herself. No, someone of you have told that I have muted myself. Is it? अगर मेरी आवाज नहीं जाएगी तो आप लोग मुझे बताएंगे, ओके? Board is visible. Good afternoon. Board is visible. Board दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes,
यस मैम।
I think we have completed the question answer. Lesson 24.
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Today I will do.
Yes,
all of you please open your classwork copy. All of you please open your classwork copy and write. Yes, write revision lesson 24 and put date also in your copy. Write revision lesson 24 and put the date. Put the date. All of you have done that?
यस मैम।
Okay. Now let us start. Question number 1. Now let us start question number 1. Just listen, question को सुनिएगा ध्यान से, उसके बाद उसका आंसर आपको 1 word में दे देना. The 74th Amendment Act.
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Ma'am, please repeat the
Ma'am,
question.
You will do that.
The 74th Amendment Act of 1992. Sorry. I've given you the answer. Now cancel this question. They are dash for semi-urban areas. They are dash for semi-urban areas. They are dash for semi-urban.
Ma'am, should I give the answer?
No, write the answer in your copy. Write the answer in your copy.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please
Yes,
repeat the
Abhigyan.
first question. Ma'am,
Yes.
please repeat the first question again.
They are dash for semi-urban. Name the urban local bodies for semi-urban areas. What is the name of urban local bodies for the semi-urban areas? You write the name.
Ma'am, नगर परिषद.
आपसे मैंने पूछा नहीं. I am saying कि आप अपनी कॉपी में write the answer in your copy.
Ma'am, second question.
Name the urban local bodies of the for semi-urban areas. Name the urban local bodies for cities with population between 20,000 to 10 lakh. Name the urban local bodies for cities with population between 20,000 to 10 lakhs. Name the urban local bodies for big cities where the population is more than 10 lakh. Name the urban local bodies for big cities where the population is more than 10 lakh. Who elects the members of the municipalities? Who elects the members of the municipalities? This is question number 4. Who elects the members of the municipalities? What are the members of the municipalities are called? What are the members of the municipalities are called? चलिए now, संस्कार श्री फर्स्ट का आंसर बताइए. Name the urban local bodies for semi urban areas. क्या लिखा?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Name the urban local bodies for semi urban areas which are gradually developing into cities. क्या लिखा फर्स्ट का? ऋषिता भारती बताइए. What you have written?
मैम नगर
अभिज्ञान सिन्हा. हैं? क्या लिखा?
मैम नगर परिषद.
नगर पंचायत. फर्स्ट का आंसर होगा नगर
मैम
पंचायत.
परिषद.
मैम
No,
पंचायत.
नगर
मैम
पंचायत.
पंचायत.
नंबर 2 जो था, नेम द अर्बन लोकल बॉडीज फॉर सिटीज विद पॉपुलेशन बिटवीन 20,000 to 10 लाख का होगा म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल और नगर परिषद. नंबर 2 का आंसर होगा
यस.
अभिज्ञान. आराध्या पांडे. क्वेश्चन
Yes,
नंबर 3 फॉर यू. यस. नेम द अर्बन लोकल बॉडीज फॉर बिग सिटीज वेयर द पॉपुलेशन इज मोर देन 10 लाख. क्या लिखा?
खाने के लिए चावल नहीं
म्युनिसिपल
है.
कॉर्पोरेशन.
म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. वेरी गुड.
पूछ रहा था.
Who elects the members of the municipalities? आदर्श राज. आदर्श राज क्या लिखा? आदर्श राज.
Ma'am,
उर्वी.
members.
Adarsh Raj, my question is who elects the members of the municipality?
Ma'am, members elect above the age of 18 years.
Members नहीं बोलेंगे ना, people. Members नहीं बोलेंगे, people बोलेंगे. ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
People directly elect the member of the municipality through regular election after 5 years, after every 5 years. Okay. What are the members of the municipalities are called? This was question number 5. Who will give me the answer? Raise your hand. Hand raise करिए. Question number 5 किसने लिखा आंसर? किसी ने नहीं लिखा?
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Aradhya Pandey, that is question number 5. What are the members of the municipalities are called?
Ma'am, municipal councillors.
Municipal councillors. Yes. Now, write the prime function of Nagar Panchayat. All of you write the prime function of Nagar Panchayat in your copy. Write the prime function of Nagar Panchayat. अभिज्ञान सिन्हा, यू राइटिंग?
Yes,
सारे
ma'am.
लोग लिख रहे हैं, स्क्रीन शेयर करिए मेरे साथ.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you share your screen with me. Write the prime functions of Nagar Panchayat. Write the prime functions of Nagar Panchayat. किसी ने लिख लिया? अभी किसी ने लिखा?
Ma'am,
हाँ, yes.
ma'am, I have written the first answer.
You have written. Answer बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am. Prime function of Nagar Panchayat are the following: to solve local problems and to provide better living conditions, to keep records of birth and death, and to maintain parks, primary schools, and etc.
The prime functions of Nagar Panchayat are. कैसे लिखें?
To solve local problems and to provide better living conditions, to maintain parks, primary schools, and etc., and to keep records of birth and death.
बहुत बढ़िया. ओनली इतना ही है? कम से कम 5 पॉइंट तो लिखना चाहिए था.
मैम मैं बता
बोलिए.
मैम मैं बोलूं?
यस, एक एक करके बोलिए.
ओके मैम, पहले मैं बोलती हूँ हरिकथा. The prime functions of Nagar Panchayat are: number 1, to solve local problems and to provide better living conditions. Number 2, to provide civic amenities like water and electricity. Number 3, to ensure sanitation, hygiene, and healthcare facilities. Number 4, to keep record of births and death. And number 5, to maintain parks, primary schools, and public buildings.
कौन बोलेंगे नेक्स्ट? किसने बोला था? आई विल स्पीक.
मैम आराध्या.
आराध्या. आराध्या बोलिए.
The prime function of Nagar Panchayat are to solve local problems and to provide better living conditions, to provide civic amenities like water and electricity, to ensure sanitation, hygiene, and healthcare facilities, to maintain park, primary schools, and public buildings, and last, to keep record of birth and deaths.
Just see the answer. I have also written the answer on my board. देखिए, functions of the नगर पंचायत. This is the, इसी तरह आपने लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा है? To solve local problems. Point 1. Point 2. To provide better living condition. Point 3. To provide civic amenities. Point 4. To keep records of birth and death. Point 5. To maintain parks, primary schools, and public buildings. You have to write answer in such a way. Okay. Now, next. Next. Ready for the next question? Who is the chairperson of municipal corporation? Who is the chairperson of municipal corporation?
Ma'am, can I say?
लिखिए, पहले लिख लीजिए तो फिर हम पूछेंगे. 5 क्वेश्चन जब हो जाएगा तो उसके बाद I will ask.
Okay,
Who
ma'am.
is the chairperson of municipal corporation? First at all, write the question, then write the answer by yourself. Who is the chairperson of the municipal corporation? Who elect the deputy mayor? Who elect the deputy mayor? Who elect the deputy mayor? Who elects the deputy mayor? Who elect the deputy mayor? Question number 3. Who appoints the municipal commissioner? Who appoints the municipal commissioner? This is question number 3. Who appoints the municipal commissioner? Who appoints the municipal commissioner? Question number 4. Who implements the decision taken by the House and supervises the work of the municipal corporation? Who implements? Who implements? Who implements the decisions taken by the House and supervises the work of the municipal corporation? Question number 9 था ना ये? Yes or no? Now
Yes,
question number
ma'am.
10. Question number 10. Ready for question number 10?
Ma'am, please repeat the question number 9.
Question number?
9.
Which question should I repeat? बोलिए.
Ma'am, question number 9.
Question number 9. Question number 9 is, who implements the decision taken by the House and supervises the work of the municipal corporation? This is question number 9. Question number 10 is, name the head of the district. Name the head of the district. Name the head of the district. This is question number 10. Name the head of the district. Now, आप सारे लोगों ने लिख लिया क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 6 is municipal corporation is headed by a chairperson who is called the, उसको क्या कहते हैं बताइए.
सर मैं मेयर.
मैम मैं बताऊंगी मेयर.
मैं मेयर.
मेयर फर्स्ट आंसर मेयर और महापौर. बहुत बढ़िया. Who elect the deputy mayor?
Members of the municipal corporation.
Members of the
Municipal corporation.
members of the municipal corporation elects the deputy mayor. Who appointed the municipal commissioner?
Ma'am, state government.
State government.
Who implement the decision taken by the house and supervises the work of the municipal corporation?
Ma'am, municipal commissioner.
Municipal commissioner.
Municipal
Commissioner.
municipal commissioner. And who is the head of the district? The head of the district is called
District officer.
District officer.
District officer or deputy commissioner or district collector or district
DM.
magistrate.
और DM. बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी नाइस. आंसर को रिपीट करना है कि हो गया आप लोगों का?
मैम हो गया.
मैम DM.
हो गया.
यार. मैम
DM.
DM.
बहुत हाँ यस DM. बहुत अच्छा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिएगा. सिर्फ आंसर लिखिएगा. क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखने की जरूरत है. द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ ए म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर इज कॉल्ड. The chairperson of a municipal commissioner is called, council corporation is called. The chairperson of a municipal corporation is called.
मैम ये तो क्वेश्चन हो चुका है.
फिर भी एक बार लिख लीजिए. ठीक है. मुझे पता है अभी तुरंत हुआ है. एक बार फिर से लिख लीजिए. नगर निगम इज ऑल्सो नोन एज. इसका दूसरा नेम लिखिए. नगर निगम इज ऑल्सो नोन एज. 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 लिख लिया. नेक्स्ट लिखिए.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the minimum age for contesting the municipal council election?
Ma'am, repeat the question.
What is the minimum age for contesting the municipal council election?
Ma'am, council.
Yes, council. What is the minimum age for contesting the municipal council election? किसी ने लिखा इसको? इसका आंसर किसी ने लिखा? Anyone?
Repeat the question.
Question should be repeated. Okay. What is the
Yes,
minimum
ma'am.
age for contesting the municipal
Yes, ma'am,
council
लिखिए.
election?
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am,
लिखे हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या
लिखे
लिखा?
हैं.
क्या लिखा?
21 years.
21 years.
21 years.
21 years. Very good. This is the right answer. The chairperson of a municipal corporation is called? क्या लिखा?
Mayor.
Ma'am, mayor. Ma'am,
Mayor.
mayor और महापौर.
What is the Nagar Nigam is also known as?
Municipal
corporation.
Corporation.
Yes. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. A municipal council is also called dash in some states. A municipal council
Municipal
is
board.
also called dash in some states. आंसर बताइए.
मैम म्युनिसिपल बोर्ड्स और म्युनिसिपल
boards and
कम्युनिटीज.
Municipal committee.
बोर्ड्स.
Board.
Municipal committee. Yes. How many districts are there in India? How many districts are there in India? How many districts are there in India?
748.
मैम 740.
6 districts. 748.
676 districts. 676 districts are there in India. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. Now, I have a question. Page number 205. Go on page number 205 in your book. Go on page number 205 in your book. And that value-based question. Raju lives in Allahabad. In summer vacations, he visited his aunt in the United States. All of you are
Yes,
understanding it?
ma'am.
Yes,
He
ma'am.
not only enjoyed in the trip, but was very happy to see clean and green cities and towns of Texas state. मतलब United States का Texas जगह वहाँ वो गया था. But when he came back to India, he was again depressed and disappointed. But with a big differences, now he wide awake, well aware, and more duty conscious. फिर से एक बार देख लीजिए. Again, आप भी उसको पढ़ने की कोशिश करिए और समझने की भी कोशिश करिए. राजू lives in Allahabad. राजू कहाँ रहता है?
Allahabad.
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 बहुत अच्छा. In summer vacations, he visited his aunt in the United States. गर्मी की छुट्टी में कहाँ गया?
United
के पास
States.
United States.
US.
बहुत अच्छा, very good. He not only enjoyed the trip, but was very happy to see clean and green cities and towns of Texas states. But when he came back to India, he was again depressed and disappointed. But with a big difference. Why the Raju was depressed and disappointed? बताइए.
Raju was depressed
Why
and
Raju was
disappointed
Because
Because- and
comparing to US and India, US is
in
more
US
cleaner than
is
India.
better.
One by one बोलिए. जो भी बोलना है ना, एक पर एक बचा. अब बोलिए.
Raju was depressed and disappointed because comparing to other countries in India, India is more polluted and dirty. So he was disappointed about the future generation, about the cleanliness and pollution.
Yes. Anyone else? और कोई बोलना चाहते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलिए.
Raju
साल में
was
सही बोले थे।
disappointed by seeing
तुम्हारे ही चलते रिजल्ट लाते हैं हम।
because
देखो अपने माइक को ऑफ कर लो.
पिछले पूरा साल में तुम ऐसे ही बोली थी कि मोबाइल चला ले क्लास कुछ लिखा है ये नहीं रहता तुमको कॉपी खोल के
प्रिया
दिखा
राज
दी कितना लिखे हैं।
ये प्रिया राज बोल रही है. प्रिया राज अपने घर में डिस्कस कर रही है और बोल रही है.
पढ़ाई हो रहा
चिल्ला
है.
रही है.
तो मोबाइल कहाँ रखी है? चलिए मोबाइल कहाँ रखी है?
प्रिया
तुम्ही
राज
तो कहाँ है मोबाइल?
म्यूट कर लीजिए
हम
अपने
उसको
आप को.
चाहते हैं।
प्लीज म्यूट
24
योरसेल्फ
घंटा
प्रिया
हाथ में
राज.
मोबाइल देखते हैं तुम्हारा उसका। हम किसका इलाज कराएंगे हम? मोबाइल तो है जो रही है ब्लूटूथ लगा के हो जा मोबाइल दे जरूरत
लगा के ब्लूटूथ दिखा दो आवाज आएगा तो।
Now, yes. But with a big difference, now he was wide awake. What is the meaning of the wide awake का मतलब क्या होता है?
और जिना
In this question. Yes. बोलिए. Wide awake मतलब well aware and more duty conscious. Wide awake, well aware and more duty conscious.
मैम सतर्क हो गया।
हाँ बोलिए. सतर्क हो गया. Yes. और ड्यूटी कॉन्शियस हो गया. अवेयर मतलब जागरूक हो गया।
जागरूक।
यस, नेक्स्ट है, नेक्स्ट है, हु ब्रॉट ए बिग चेंज इन राजू थॉट एंड एक्शन? व्हाट ब्रॉट अ बिग चेंज इन राजू's थॉट एंड एक्शन? ये बताइए, व्हाट ब्रॉट अ बिग
Neat
चेंज इन राजू's थॉट एंड एक्शन?
Ma'am, neat and clean.
What brought a big change in Raju's thought and action? Yes.
The dirty streets
Clean
of
and green cities
big
and
change.
towns of Texas state has brought a great change in Raju's thought and action.
Action.
Now he has started action. देखिए thought तो बदल ही गया, action मतलब now he has committed himself that he will also try to keep his city clean and green.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
कोई इस आंसर को फिर से देगा अपने वर्ड में?
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Question 1 देखिए,
Uh,
what brought a big
that
change in
is-
Raju's
that-
thought and actions?
dirty states of India and dirty
ये
states
देखो,
of
ये
India.
बच्चा बैठा हुआ है, अंकित कुणाल ये यादव है, ये लिख के बैठा है बिहार का किंग। अंकित कुणाल यादव, तुम बिहार के किंग जो बने हुए हो ना, अभी हम तुमको वेटिंग रूम में डाल देते हैं और उसके बाद तुम लीव द क्लास।
बिहार का
He has left the class. बिहार का किंग बन करके आए हुए। तुरंत नाम बदल लेता है, उल्टा पुल्टा कुछ भी करेगा, पढ़ने लिखने में कोई ध्यान नहीं देगा, और जो मर्जी आएगा लिख करके। एकदम अपने नेम के साथ क्लास को ज्वाइन करिए, नेम एंड सेक्शन के साथ। बिहार के किंग मत बनिए। यस, नाउ
Ma'am,
who
should I
was
give
giving
the
the
answer?
answer? Aradhya, you.
Yes, ma'am.
What brought a big change in Raju's thought and action? बताइए।
Raju started to be conscious about the cleanliness of around his surrounding cities and many other places, and he tried his best to keep the surroundings clean so that he could present India as so that he can also say that his city, his country is also a clean place as UK and other countries which are more clean than India.
Okay. Highlight any 3 advantages of a clean city. Tejasvi. Tejasvi, give me the answer. Highlight any 3 advantages of a clean city.
3 advantages of a clean city.
Tejasvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Highlight any 3 advantages of a clean city.
3 advantages of a clean city is we had to see that India is very clean, and we have to ma'am, we have to clean and green our towns, and India should every people can see us that we are clean. Ma'am, should every people can see
Who will give me the answer? 3 advantages of a clean city. Who will give me the answer of 3 advantages of a clean city?
मैम संस्कार श्री।
ओ बोलिए संस्कार श्री। 3 advantages of a clean city. बोलिए।
The 3 advantages of a city are, ma'am, the all people of the cities
Clean city,
do not get.
not a city.
Yes, ma'am, in city them do not get any disease.
Next, बताइए।
Ma'am, do not get disease. And ma'am, how many advantages?
3 advantages of a clean city.
Ma'am, clean city का ma'am first advantage, ma'am, do not get any the all people of the cities do not get any disease. advantage, ma'am. Second advantage. Ma'am, the city. Ma'am, the city will be look beautiful. The city is.
Ma'am, should I give the
और
answer?
बताइए.
Ma'am, can I Arkaza Yashasvi?
Yes.
The 3 advantages of clean city are: number 1, that the
Yes.
clean city provides fresh air without any pollutants. Number 2, that the clean city prevent pollution to the environment and give us a healthy life. And number 3 is that it also provide infrastructure and modern innovation.
हाँ. और
Yes, ma'am, 3 हो गया.
1 point I have also मैंने एक पॉइंट बनाया है, बट आई वांट कि आप लोग इस पॉइंट को बनाइए, मुझे बताइए. मैं और भी पॉइंट बता सकती हूँ, लेकिन बट आई वांट कि आप पॉइंट आपके तरफ से आए और आप लोग इस पे हम बात करेंगे हमसे. देखिए, आई हैव रिटन 1 पॉइंट ऑन माय बोर्ड. दिखाती हूँ मैं. आई हैव रिटन 1 पॉइंट. 3 एडवांटेजेस ऑफ ए क्लीन सिटी आर. फर्स्ट है, इट प्रोवाइड ए पॉल्यूशन फ्री एनवायरनमेंट. और बताइए, आप और पॉइंट मुझे बताइए. 3 advantages of a clean city are: it provide a
It gives us a
pollution
healthy
free.
life.
It gives a
Healthy life.
healthy life. It provides a healthy life. Okay, ठीक है, लिखती हूँ. It provides a healthy life. Healthy life. Okay. Third point बताइए.
थोड़ा देर बाद.
बताइए. बोलिए थर्ड पॉइंट. मेरे दिमाग में एक पॉइंट है, लेकिन आपको इसको बताना पड़ेगा मेरे दिमाग में ये क्यों है. इट कीप्स अस हैप्पी. बताइए क्यों है. व्हाई इट इज इन माय ब्रेन. इट कीप्स मी हैप्पी. A clean city keeps me happy. Why?
Ma'am,
This
should
is
I
my
take
third point. This is my third point. A clean city keeps me happy. Why my clean city keeps me happy? बताइए आराध्या पांडे. Why
Yes,
my
ma'am.
clean city keeps me happy? Whenever I go out from my house, I found that my city is very clean and it keeps me happy. The cleanness of my city keeps me happy and healthy. जो आपने एक पॉइंट दिया ना, आप लोगों ने दिया ना कि it provides a healthy life. Happy and healthy. Is it? Aradhya,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
agree with me or not? Yes. Tejasvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhigyan. Abhigyan, you are in the class or not?